Okay, my bike's just about done. I used F11 on it. I used bug slide on it. I used a boner rag on the windshield. It's all great stuff. I'm not promoting anything. I have neglected my bike this year. My buddy Scott got a 2018. He used to neglect his bike, and now he washes it almost every day. And it's kind of weird. I'm turned into him, and he's turned into what I used to be. I know it sounds weird, but when I load this in the trailer, it's done. I will not touch it until I come back. Nobody touches my bike when I'm out there. No, I won't let nobody wash it. I know it's fun to watch the girls wash the bikes. I'll watch them wash somebody else's bike, but I prefer not to have anybody rubbing a rag on mine. I don't know if it's dropped on the ground. Just the way I am. So when I come back, it's going to be a filthy mess. We'll clean it up again, do it all again. Each year it seems like it takes me more and more. I don't know if I'm getting too old to do everything I'm doing. I can't be getting too old. I'm just getting started. So let's get this junk loaded in the trailer. This isn't junk. The junk you will see when we get it loaded in. This is nice. I got a lot of junk has to go with me. Be easier just hook onto the house and tow the house over there. All right, let's get this stuff loaded. Okay, I'm going to show you how the Condor wheel chocks work. So I'm going to be driving into it. We'll show you how it holds the bike. Okay, once you're in the wheel chock, it'll sit there until you get off it. It sits there pretty good, as you can see. Now there's another one that just came out. It's called B&W Biker Bar. It goes on your frame, and after it goes on the frame, they got a clamp that goes on there. The other piece mounts in your trailer, and when you drive in, it does basically the same thing. They run around $400. And with the Condor setup I got here, I'm probably around the same money. But I had the E-Track, I had this, so I'm not going to change up. But if you got a trailer and you don't have E-Track in the floor, the B&W Biker Bar, check it out. That might be the way to go. Okay, we're going to see if we can get the side-by-side loaded in here. Then we're going to tie everything down if it fits. Okay, I'm going to put this in transport mode. I've never done this before. So I say you got a T-fob, buy it. Turn it on, turn it back there, hit the blinkers at the same time. If they blink 3 times, apparently that's transport mode. So I got to double check, but that is supposed to be on. So wish me luck on that one. Okay, we got to put this in and we should be good. It's going to just fit. I'm going to have about 3 inches on each side of the bike. We will be doing some side-by-side riding out in South Dakota. We're going to keep them videos separate from the rally stuff, so if you're not interested in trails out in Black Hills, you won't have to watch them. So we're going to keep them separate. We'll do as much as we can. If nobody has seen any of my other videos, you can take your side-by-side out there, little paperwork. You can get a license for it for 15 days for $15. You still got to buy a trail permit when you get there. And you can ride the highway. You just got to stay off the interstate. So I'm going to load this up and we will continue loading the trailer. I think it would have been easier if it takes this much time when I get there to unload it. I'm just going to be there one day, start loading it back up to come home. Unless I just find a place to put the whole trailer and truck and just leave it there and fly back and forth. So I'm going to load this up and see how it goes. Okay, we're all packed. Everything is strapped down. I think I've got everything in here. Hopefully, we got a little bit of room along the wall here in case we find a t-shirt. I hear there are a lot of places that sold a lot of t-shirts in Sturgis. So this is it. Just be posted tomorrow. You might not see anything back from us until about Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, somewhere in there. So we get out there, we're going to record some stuff, see if we can get it uploaded. If you watch our videos, please hit the subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and hit the bell notification. That way when we post another video, you'll see it. So there's lots of other guys out there. Bob and Tam's out there doing an excellent job. I know Professional Monkey's there. There's going to be other YouTubers there. Join all of them. Subscribe to all of them. Hit all the bells, because everybody can't be in every spot. So I may be showing you something that Bob and Tam's going to be over there. Professional Monkey's going to be over here. Somebody else is over here. So just subscribe to all of them. It doesn't cost you anything if you want to stay up on what's going on in Sturgis. So till the next time, we're going to get the carnival on the road. And I heard the carnival's in Sturgis. I done the carnival last year, so I'm pretty sure me and Carla's going to go up in the Ferris wheel, and we'll take some photos looking down on the town of Sturgis. So I'll try to get you some different stuff. Like I said, subscribe, hit the bell. It doesn't cost you anything. That way when a new video pops up, you'll be able to see it. And also any of the other YouTubers out there, please subscribe to their channels too. I'm not in competition with anybody, promoting everybody. So see you in Sturgis.